YouTube changed where auto dubbing is located. To find it, go into your channel dashboard, go down to settings in the bottom left hand corner. Right there, go to channel instead of upload defaults in channel now. Go to advanced settings. Scroll down a bit and you should see automatic dubbing. You don't even need advanced features enabled for your channel anymore to have this. It went in phases. First it was out to a select number of people, then it went to people in the YouTube partner program, then it went to people who had advanced features enabled, and now it should be out to like everyone now. So just go in here, enable it if you want. I would highly recommend it if you don't have access to uploading your own audio files. I made a video where I explain whether you should choose audio files, uploading your own, or using auto dubbing, and I'll play that right now. Automatic dubbing, if you have access to MLA, like multi-language audio, right? If you have access to uploading your own audio files, I would highly recommend doing that and not using auto dubbing. But if you don't have access to uploading your own audio files, I would recommend turning auto dubbing on, and also making sure manual review is on and review in experimental languages.